वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज का वीडियो कैपिटल गेन सीरीज का 10th नंबर का वीडियो है। इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न अबाउट द फुल वैल्यू ऑफ कंसिडरेशन। फुल वैल्यू ऑफ कंसिडरेशन मीन्स कंसिडरेशन रिसीव्ड और रिसीवेबल in cash or in kind in lieu of asset transferred by transferor. When consideration received in kind, then fair market value of such assets shall be taken as full value of consideration of such assets. Full value of consideration shall be determined on notional basis in the following cases as per the relevant provisions of the Income Tax Act. Section type of transactions, full value of consideration. Section 45 clause 1a, any money received or other assets received under insurance from insurer on account of damages, destructions, etc. of capital asset. Value of any money or fair market value of other asset on the date of such receipt shall be full value of consideration. Section 45 clause 2, conversion or treatment of capital asset into a stock in trade. Fair market value of the asset on the date of conversion or such treatment. Section 45 clause 3, transfer of capital asset by a person to a firm, AOPs or BOIs by way of capital contribution. The amount or value at which capital account was recorded in books of accounts of firm, AOPs or BOIs as capital contribution shall be full value of consideration. Section 45 clause 4, receipt of money or capital asset or both from a specified entity, that is firm, AOPs or body of individuals, by its partner or members on reconstitution of such entity. Fair market value of such capital asset on the date of the receipt shall be the full value of consideration. Section 46 clause 2, receipt of money or other asset on liquidation of the company by its shareholder. Full value of consideration shall be money received for plus fair market value of the assets received on the date of distribution less amount assessed as dividend under section 2 clause 22 subclause C. Section 46A, buyback of shares and other specified securities by a company. Consideration received by shareholder of shares or specified securities from company on buyback of its share or specified securities shall be the full value of consideration. The difference between cost of acquisition and full value of consideration received, that is buyback price, would be taxed in hand of shareholders in the year in which such shares or specified securities were purchased by the company. Section 115 QA, buyback of shares by a domestic listed or unlisted company. Consideration received by shareholder from company on buyback of its share shall be full value of consideration. The company shall be liable to pay additional tax at the rate of 20% on distributed income, that is buyback price less amount received by the company on issue of such shares. Thus, capital gains in the hand of the shareholder shall be exempted under section 10 clause 34A. Section 48 6th provision, transfer or allotment of capital asset being shares, debenture or warrant under gift or will or irrevocable trust by a company directly or indirectly to its employees under employees stock option plan or scheme are transferred by concerned employee to any other. Fair market value of share, debenture or warrant at time of gift shall be the full value of the consideration. Section 49. Conversion or treatment of inventory into capital asset. Fair market value of inventory as on date of conversion or treatment shall be the full value of consideration. Section 50AA. Transfer of a specified mutual fund acquired on or after first day of April 2023 or a market-linked debenture, consideration received or accruing on transfer of such unit or a market-linked debenture shall be the full value of consideration. Section 50B. Transfer of capital asset being one or more undertaking or division under slump sale. Fair market value of the undertaking or division on the date of transfer shall be the full value of consideration. Section 50C. Where value of property as assessed or assessable by Estimate Valuation Authority exceed 1.10 times of the consideration received or accruing on transfer of capital asset being land or building or both. Full value of consideration shall be the value of property assessed or assessable by Estimate Valuation Authority on the date of the agreement. Section 50CA. Where consideration received or accruing on transfer of capital asset being unquoted shares of a company is less than fair market value of such share. The fair market value of the consideration so determined shall be deemed to be the full value of consideration. The board may prescribe transactions undertaken by certain class of persons to which provisions of Section 50CA shall not be applicable with effect from assessment year 2021. Section 50D. Where consideration received or accruing as a result of transfer of capital assets by an assessee cannot be determined, fair market value of the assets on the date of transfer shall be the full value of consideration. ये वीडियो अब मैं यहीं समाप्त करता हूँ। ये वीडियो अगर आपको अच्छी लगी हो तो इसको लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच।